Hello, I will try to learn GUI development with Tkinter. I never heard before about Tkinter. Let's see. So, first of all, introduction to Tkinter. Tkinter is Python's built-in GUI library. It allows you to create desktop application with Windows buttons and widgets. Okay, fine. Why learn GUI development? First of all, desktop applications to create desktop applications and build interactive tools, data visualization, create custom data visualization and quick prototypes. Okay, let's start. Let's see code in action. First of all, we have to import Tkinter library, and then first we have to create main window. Okay, so and then after that we can add level, add button, and then finally this is the run application method. Okay, we can start our VS code. So this is our VS code. Okay, fine. So I should create a new file. I would say GUI Tkinter.py. Okay, fine. So first of all, we have to import Tkinter, and I would say tk, and from Tkinter I will import ttk. Okay, fine. Then first create the main window. So this is the root, and then this is the title, this is the geometry. Geometry means, I think, initial size, window size. Let's see. So this is the main window, that root equal to tk.Tk. It's okay, and then root title is Tinker GUI example. Okay, fine. And then root geometry, that will be suppose 400 into 400. Let's see. Acha. And then we have to run the application. Let's see. I would save it and then create the run Python file. Okay, there is a problem. Oh no, this is our GUI application, I would say. Nice, that is nice. There is nothing, and I can resize it. Or this is the initial one, like this is the initial size, 400 into 400. That's it, nothing else. Okay, I can run the application now. This is the add level. I copy it and paste it here. Let's see. Okay, so I run it again, and oops, there is no level. Why? Okay, so level is equal to tk.level, and I pass the level take the master. Okay, there are so many properties are there. Okay, we have to pass the root, then the text hello Tkinter, and the font. This is the font. This is the font, and this is the font size, and then level dot pad white. That means paddings in y is equal to 20. What's wrong? Line 10, there is a problem. What's the problem? Keyboard interrupt. Okay, dependent may be removed. Silent abbreviation, blah blah blah. Okay. What is wrong? Let's say okay, click me. There is a button. There is no level, but why? I don't see any level. Hello Tkinter. What's the problem? Anyway, let's see. This is the deprecation warning. The system version of TK is deprecated and may be removed in a future release. Please don't rely on it. Set TK silence deprecation is equal to 1. Suppress. But then what is the... Let's search about it. What is the problem? Okay. What is the modern version actually? Build into Magnus while you're scripting. Hide the warning. Okay. TK. Okay. Anyway, we skip the warning for now. Let's continue. And first, common widget, there are entry like text input. So first of all, this is the entry method. We have to pass the root and then the width of the text input, text field actually, and then we have to pack it, and we can catch the entry by this, and the text will be entry and by getter method, and then there is a print function, and then okay, fine. let's see. So let's copy it and paste it over here. Let's see it works or not. Button click is not defined. Okay, so there will be button, not button clicked, sorry. Then it should work. But where is the entry? Get text, click me. Okay, I think get text. Yeah, I can't enter anything, but the cursor look like there is a, I don't know. Okay, I don't see any text on there, but it is actually take the entire value. But somehow the text I entered is not show there. Okay, then I will see text widget multi-line, get all text. Okay, okay, let's see, is it, nope, there is no, no text widget is working here. Let's see checkbox is working or not. Content, okay, let's see it. Yeah, checkbox is working. Even checkbox level is also is showing, but for some reason no text I can see there. Okay, this is the var, boolean var, and then this is the checkbox, check button. I have to pass the root, then text the level, pass the level as text property value, and then the variable is gonna be this one, and then I have to pack it by check value. I can print it. Okay, check value. Okay, and if I assign if I add another button, and the command will be check value, and this gonna be get check value. I can see like get check value is gonna be true. This is working. Okay, fine. Then let's see radio buttons working or not, and I have to pad y, let's say 20, Yeah, this is also working, radio button. And let's see Listbox, is it working or not? Okay, let's see. Nope, we don't see any of them. I again run it, but I don't see. It is working, it is working, it is working, but no list box is here. So it is also not working because I don't know why. Cursor selection, okay. List box. I don't know what's wrong with it. Okay, then layout manager. First of all, this is the pack level 1 tk level is equal to text is equal to level 1, and then pack it side is equal to tk dot left. That means it's going to be left side, and then level 2 is going to be right side. Okay, and then there is a grid. So okay, first of all, it take the level. There is two text, row 0 and column 0, and it going to be grid. Row is equal to 0, column is equal to 0. Okay, fine. And then I add a button dot grid. Let's see, can I show it or not? Okay, let's see what happened. Oops, what's wrong? It doesn't show anything. There is a problem. There is a problem, huge level problem. Let's see. Where is the GUI? I don't see any GUI here. Why? Oops, what's wrong? Let's run again. Still there is a problem. What is the problem? I killed the terminal. Clear terminal. Okay, I will kill the terminal, then run it again. Yeah, now it's working, but okay, try to run it again. Okay, there is a problem. keyboard interrupt. I think Tkinter is a bit deprecated actually. That's why it doesn't show anything. There are some problems here and there. Place absolute. Okay, let's see. There is an example of simple calculator. I will directly copy and paste over here. Let's see, is it working or not. I will delete the Python terminal. Nope, it doesn't build. Oh, yeah, there is build here. This is too a small calculator. Oh shit, man. Oops, I don't see anything here. Is there any problem of let's see. Nope, nothing. I cannot see anything. Okay, so there is a problem in Tkinter. I think it is not working here at all in my machine. Let's see the example in data science application. So okay, first it import the Tkinter, then import field dialog, and then pandas, matplotlib. Okay, fine. First the function is load the data. This is a file name, ask open file name. Okay, fine. CSV file type is CSV files and the extension will be .csv. okay, if file name equal to, if file name, that means if there is a file name, then it will pass there. First it will read the CSV and then print the header of the CSV, and also it return the df, that means the file. Okay, and otherwise it return none, that means nothing. Okay, and then there is a function of plot data. Df is equal to load data. Okay, fine. First it call this function, and it will everything is there, and then it return the CSV file, and it catch by the df variable. And if df is not none, that means if there is a CSV file, then there is assigned a two variable fig and ax, and that will be plot, then matplotlib. Yeah, this one, pyplot dot subplot fig size is equal to 6 and 4, and then it plot the ax, embed in Tkinter, then it embed the plot, that means pyplot, into the Tkinter GUI. So first figure canvas tk agg, I don't know what does it what it does. This is the canvas, I think, and I have to pass the figure, this one, and pass the root. Okay, and the root is gonna be this one, and this one is the title, and then canvas dot draw. This function, I think, draw the pie plot, and then I have to pack it to show it. First of all, get tk widget and then pack it. Then it show a button that is load the data, this one, and then plot data. First first button will load the data, and then second button will plot the data. That's it. Okay, got it. Then key takeaways. Tkinter is built in, no installation needed. There is some widgets, labels, buttons, entries, etc. And there is also layout or pack, grid or place, and there is events like use commands for button clicks. Okay, and this is very simple. GUI is great for quick tools. Okay, fine, but for some reason I couldn't use it properly. There are some widget that is not showing at all. And key takeaways, Python is dynamically typed. This is the key takeaways of this basic Python lesson. Okay, yes, Python is dynamically typed. Yeah, there is no declaration of type. Python is smart enough to handle it. And indentation matters. Yeah, indentation is very matter, because one indentation, it's all about indentation. There is no brackets. Python doesn't use any bracket. It use indentation instead of. And lists are versatile. Yeah, and dictionaries are powerful, of course. Sorry. Error handling is important. Use try except. Yeah, of course I have to use try except. And OOP helps organize code. Okay, fine. Error handling is important. Use try except. Okay, fine. OOP helps organize code. Yes, of course. I'm pretty much like, I like the OOP a lot, object oriented programming language. And then the next steps will be practice writing Python programs daily, work through the exercises above. Okay, try solve problem on HackerRank or LeetCode, move to O2 linear algebra.md when comfortable. Okay, fine. Oh yeah, so the next steps will be linear algebra. We will continue with linear algebra in next session. Though today is not a good session at all, because Tkinter is deprecated, and for some reason, maybe for deprecation, it will not show all widgets. Some widgets are there showing, but some widgets are not showing. Anyway, so this is for today, and see you later. Thank you.